Detail is our business. We want to make sure that whatever we see on that screen, we are making the most honest representation thereof sonically. When I look at a scene, I hear the sounds in my head. So all I have to do is figure out, well, okay, that sound I hear in my head, how do I actually get that down on tape, if you will? When I go to a movie, if the sound job is wonderful, I get lost in the film. In fact, that's what we all want. You know, we want to go and just have the popcorn and sit back and be taken away in whatever aspect we are, and that's a wonderful thing. It's what I love about this business.